G'day mates! Are you ready for some bad boy latte art? I'm going to be showing you how to pour the perfect art. It's not the most simplest and easiest thing to pour, but the perfect way to start your latte art journey. You don't want to, a lot of people always go and try and start pouring ferns, and that's the wrong way to go. Ferns are easy, anyone can do them. You just wiggle the jug and you create some sort of fern looking thing, and then you call it a rosetta, which is not really a rosetta. The best way to go, start off easy, pour a perfect heart, and then go from there and progress your way through. So this is what we're going to be doing, is we're going to be taking you on a journey, and we're going to start off and keep it nice and straightforward. So what you need is some beautifully poured espresso and some really nicely textured milk. If you're not quite sure on how to texture your milk correctly and you're looking at my milk thinking, oh crikey, mine definitely doesn't look like that, then please look at the link down below in the description, and that will then take you to our video on how to pour and how to texture milk correctly. So go to that first and then come back to this video and then go from there. Really important that your texture is bang on. If it's slightly too thick or slightly too thin, it's not going to work. It's also got to be this lovely, like, one consistent texture all the way through. That's really crucial for pouring latte art. Okay, so we're going to polish both of these. Keep them polishing until you pour. Really important, otherwise the milk will separate. Okay, so I'm going to tip the cup onto a slight angle. Start off by slowly pouring around the espresso. Drop to the middle, push, and pour through. Pour through, just like so, and then serve it to the customer. Give them a smile and a cheeky wink, and I'm sure they wouldn't mind. Done and dusted. That was fairly straightforward. I hope you guys found it straightforward as well. I mean, to start off with, it won't be, but just keep going. Practice, practice, practice. It's like anything, you'll get there eventually. Anything's possible with a lot of practice and determination. So keep going, guys. Before you know it, you'll become a pretty badass barista. Yeah, just keep at it, keep drinking, and enjoy. Cheers. Tastes pretty good too.
I called you once and I called you twice. You didn't pick up either of these times. I called you mom, then I called you dad. Neither one you.
This is Martin, he's very sexy.
So why do I care? Why do I try? When all here is, baby, let's spend the night. Tell me where you gone. Tell me what you want.